I find it a challenge to take these old incandescent bulb type things and convert them into something like an LED, make them more efficient. And with these old bicycle generators, if you have ever used one, when you kick it on, it slows your bicycle down by about half. So I thought I was going to go out there, and I did all the calculations. I measured the voltage output of the generator, and I was going to show you how to convert one of these old incandescent bulbs into a 6-volt bulb that would do the job. So I was going to take one of these and put a couple of LEDs back facing each other so it would handle the 6 volts and blah blah blah. And I mean, I had a presentation and I had all the calculations, and I asked ChatGPT to check my calculations and make sure I was right, and so on and so forth. And I've done this before with a bulb. You know, you break the little glass shell and you put the LEDs in there, solder them up, and so forth. And then just as I was doing all that, I got online and I found that you can just buy the bulb. So yeah, sometimes you put a lot of work into one of these videos, and you find out that everybody in the world has beat you to it. But anyway, let's put this in here and see how it works. So first, let's do a level set. We will use the incandescent bulb, see how bright it is. I'm going to use my drill, and I'll spin this thing up. And I figured that at maximum speed on this particular drill, it's about going 7 miles an hour on your bicycle. So, but it'll be a standard, and then we'll compare the LED bulb and see how it works. Okay, got that. Now let's change out the bulbs. There we go. Yep, just a ordinary old 6-volt LED bulb. I tried a 12 and a 24. But my oscilloscope did not lie to me. This produces, at this speed, it produces just about 5 volts. So I don't think it's going to produce a whole lot more, because one of the things I did is I did a linear graphing of the voltage output to see what happens as it speeds up, and actually it pretty much plateaus at like 5 or 6 volts. Okay, here we are with the LED bulb, all set to go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so a lot brighter and a lot less effort than producing your own. Well, I hope you found this useful and interesting in your electronics and bicycling adventures.